There are channels on YouTube that are making 100 grand a month just by posting videos for kids like this one. So here you can see, look at the amount of views, 120 million views. And it's not just one channel, there are multiple channels that are doing this. They're using this strategy to rake in thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. And you don't have to be a professional singer, graphic designer to do that. Let's look at details of this channel here. So this is one of the popular channels, and you can see here that they're making 140K to over 2 million per month. Let's look at another popular kids channel. This one right here makes about 500,000 to 9 million per month. There you go. This is an extremely lucrative niche on YouTube, and today I will show you how you can make such videos without being an illustrator, animator, or even a graphic designer. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you how. Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating a fun educational video for kids for YouTube. Let's head over to Canva, and we're gonna go under Create a Design, and we're gonna search for YouTube video. There it is. Now we're gonna start making a video. For this, we need a backdrop. So I'm gonna look for a tree landscape. Oh, wrong section. I'm gonna go to elements and I'm gonna look for landscape. Okay, and I'm gonna select something that would be a good backdrop. I'm making sure it's under free section because we're gonna make this video without any subscriptions from Canva. So this is the unpaid version. These clouds look nice. I'm just gonna set them as background. We're gonna put some grass here. I'm gonna actually make a bunch of copies of this grass. There we go. And now I'm gonna group it together and animate it, just so we have some movement, because this is going to be a video. There, that looks nice. Okay, I'm just gonna duplicate it because I don't want the blank spaces at the edges. Yep. Still decided on this one. Okay, great. And one goes on this side, the other will go on the other side. Okay, perfect. So there's some movement there. Now I'm gonna go over to clouds because I want some moving clouds in there as well. We'll choose this one. This already has a movement in it. And I think I'm just gonna make a bunch of copies of this cloud and copy paste those copies throughout the sky. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a border, but that doesn't really look that nice. I guess this looks good. Awesome, so this is the background for our video that we're going to be using. Okay. Perfect. Just going to make the video about 5 seconds long, just because we need clips that are 5 seconds long to be able to do the animation. I'm just going to duplicate these so I have a bunch of slides to work on. Now that we have our background ready, we're gonna start inserting different shapes. So I'm gonna search for let's see. Actually, let's add a heading first. And this will be our first page, and that says shapes. I'm quickly gonna update the colors on there. Oh, that changed the background. There we go. So this is a nice color, makes it look nice and cartoony. The font, let's select, here we go. This one looks great. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Now we're gonna start with a triangle. So I'm gonna search for a triangle. Oh, wrong section. I'm gonna go to elements, triangle. There we go. So I'm just gonna make it the appropriate size, and I'm gonna place it here. And I'm just gonna duplicate the page. So for the next page, I'm gonna write triangle and I'm gonna place it next to it. Just adjust the size here and the font as well. We're just keeping it consistent, and we're gonna use the same font as the first page. Okay, right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the correct color in it so it looks the same. And now I think we need to animate it. So let's go ahead and animate it and make it look like the emphasis is on the word triangle. There we go. I think that looks really nice. Okay, time for next shape. We're gonna do square. And I'm quickly gonna go ahead and add all the shapes and their names here, and I'm gonna animate it the same way. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's move on to adding some music here. So this will just be the background music. It's just a happy children's melody that I added over here. So what I'm gonna do here is, so like you see this, and then as soon as the name pops up for the shape, we're gonna put an applaud sound or something like that. So we're gonna go over to audio, and then let's say children. Happy. Wow! So that's nice. We can use that, or we can use, let's see. I'm quickly gonna filter here for free since we are trying to make this with the free version. So I think this is really nice. We're gonna use this. So I'm just gonna put that right here. Awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that sound to every shape over here. And I'm quickly gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Here I'm just adding a closing tune to the end. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now the only thing left is to get the AI sound and AI audio for the names of the shapes. Perfect. Children's voice, we're gonna use this narrate child text to speech. We're gonna go here. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna create our own audio. So do we want British? We can use, I'm gonna use American accent just because we're in North America. Format, this should be okay. Okay.
Triangle.
Yeah, so I think it just sounds better one by one. So I'm gonna download this. Okay. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and get the AI voiceover for all the names of the shapes, and I will be right back. Under audio, I have uploaded all of these files. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the beginning and we're gonna start inserting all the names of the shapes which we generated using an AI child's voice. Okay, so right before this delighted kids, where the kids applaud, we're gonna put that. I think this would be a good location to put it, so we're gonna go triangle. Awesome. Then we need, here I'm quickly just gonna add all of the AI generated names of the shapes to each of the shapes on our video here. Perfect. So now let's listen to the audio that we just assembled.
Let's learn shapes. Triangle. Wow! Square.
Our children's song plus animation ready. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna download it. Go share, download. Okay, perfect. And yeah, so we're gonna make it 4K. And okay, perfect. Let's download. And here we go. So you have your video ready to upload to your brand new YouTube Kids channel. Thanks for joining me on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy earning!